On Kashmir Highway and on the way to AWT Islamabad, there are a few prominent housing societies all the way to the new Islamabad airport that are developing at a fast pace. The Prime Institute of Health Sciences is a huge complex and a training institute alongside Kashmir Highway. It offers diploma programs, nursing programs, paramedics and rehabilitation programs. It is next to the Islamabad Model Jail and a couple of minutes before Zamar Valley. This metro track goes past all these societies to the new Islamabad airport. Zamar Valley is a great opportunity for low-budget investors. This is the new head office of Zamar Valley. It is on the service road parallel to Kashmir Highway. Residential plots here start at a mere 25 lakh for a 5 marla plot. The development work in Zamar Valley is complete and construction can be started immediately. The streets in Zamar Valley are 30 feet wide while the main boulevard is 70 feet and commercial roads are 50 feet wide. Zamar Valley is next to Masjid Abul Qasim, which is also known as the new Tablighi Markaz. Its main service road commercial can be seen completely from Kashmir Highway. It is just across the service road from it. A couple of minutes past Zamar Valley comes 18, which is the most expensive housing society in Islamabad. It can clearly be seen from Kashmir Highway, just like Zamar Valley, but there is a great difference in the prices of both. 18 is pure luxury and is the last housing society you cross before getting on the motorway to go towards AWT. By using the motorway, you can reach AWT via a dedicated interchange. In this sense, AWT is very accessible. It also has an access to GT Road. As you enter AWT, there are real estate offices even below the mosque. There is also a dhaba that serves food and tea. It is mostly used by the laborers building houses in AWT. Here you can see many commercial buildings that have already been made and are occupied. A lot more are being made. AWT has its own water supply for residents, for which it has installed water reservoirs. It charges about 300 rupees a month for its water supply from residents. It has gas connections on every plot. Once you decide to build a house, you can submit an application for your connection to be activated. Even though many houses are being built, a lot of fresh air and green environment can be enjoyed for another couple of years here. H block is the cheapest. Plots here start at around 40 lakh for a 10 marla plot these days. Plots in AWT can go up to 80 lakh for a 10 marla residential plot. A lot of development work is going on in AWT. Here new water pipes are being installed. The roads are very good in AWT and are being made better every day. It is definitely a housing society worth considering if you're planning to build a house for yourself in Islamabad. This road connects AWT with the new Margala Avenue and Paswal. It takes about 10 minutes to get from here to sector D12. Behind these boards is the A block. There aren't many houses yet in A block. It is in front of the entrance from the motorway. You can easily get on the route to any city in Pakistan from the motorway. This is the exit to DI Khan and Miawali. DI Khan is less than 300 kilometers from here. Only a minute from here and you get to the Hakla stopover. KFC, other restaurants and tuck shops make it a popular spot for people living nearby. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to find out about more living options in Islamabad.